Hey, this is Anthony with Bsidestudios.com, a web design firm based out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and today I'm going to be talking about a few module essentials to get your site organically noticed in Google. To do this, we're going to need to start off by downloading a few modules. First, let's start off with SEO Checklist, which you can find at drupal.org/project/SEO_checklist. This module provides you with a configuration checklist with steps. As you follow these steps, you will have to install a couple of modules and register in a couple places, such as Google Developer Tools, in order to submit sitemaps and such. Remember that to install a module, you must log into your web server via FTP and browse to the sites/all/modules folder. You can go ahead and drop the modules in there. Once that's done, let's head over back to our admin dashboard. Underneath Site Building, go ahead and click Modules. And let's go ahead and activate SEO Checklist. Once again, head back to the dashboard. And underneath Site Configuration, you can see SEO Checklist. As you can see, SEO Checklist is simply that, a checklist. In here, it'll give you a pretty beefy list of modules that you can use in conjunction to make your site search engine optimized. Everything is in its own category, and as you can see, there are links below each module named Download, Enable, and even sometimes Configure. Now, if you want to make your site completely optimized, you're going to need to download and install all of these modules. But to get us off the ground, we'll use two other modules, Page Title and the Meta Tags module, also known as node words. You can find Page Title at drupal.org/project/page_title. Page Title takes the title of a node and adds it on the title tag within the HTML head. It looks a little something like this. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it does this without having to need to configure anything. It also adds a little other features, such as how the title should be structured, and on content creation pages, specify the page title separately to the content's title. Node words allows you to add meta tags to Drupal pages both manually and automatically based on various settings. With this being added, it can significantly increase your SEO just by adding a few words to each page. Once you've installed the modules, head back to the admin dashboard, and underneath Content Management, click Meta Tags. In here, you'll see a lot of options that will give you a head start on adding meta tags to your site, whether it be on edit forms or to output in HTML. There are other modules that the checklist suggests, like XML sitemap, which is very helpful in Google crawling your website. You can set page priority on the sitemap as well. Go ahead and give each of these modules a try. Read about them on their project page. There is always documentation and an issue queue if you have any questions. Don't forget, these modules can only help emphasize your content, so you must have quality content that can be indexed and found. That just about wraps it up. Just follow these easy steps in the world of SEO, and you'll have your website on popular engines such as Google. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at team@bsidestudios.com. Thanks.